How to make money during coronavirus pandemic. Now guys, I know every one of you is sitting at home during this coronavirus lockdown. This pandemic has really impacted all of our lives. In this video I will talk about 5 ways in which you can earn money sitting at home during this coronavirus lockdown. Hi guys, my name is Himanshu Bansal. You are watching my channel. In this video let's discuss about the 5 ways in which you can earn money during this coronavirus lockdown. Now you see, I will not be talking about ways in which you can sell masks, or you can sell sanitizers for at very high prices, inflationary prices. Those are unethical ways of earning money during this crisis. But yes, I will talk about a few ways which are I should say ethical ways in which you can earn money while sitting at home during this lockdown. The first is to publish an ebook. Now, why I am talking about an ebook is because ebook is something which can also be written in a short form. Like short ebooks are also very famous. Like for example, 4,000 words, 5,000 words, or maybe say 10,000 words. If you devote like 4 to 5 hours every day, I think within a week or 10 days you will be ready with your ebook, and it will take around 2 to 3 hours for its formatting and editing. Once that is done, you can easily publish it on Amazon Kindle or Google Play Books, or any other ebook publishing platform. This is something which can be done while sitting at home. You do not require any assistance, any other further assistance in that. You do not need to get out of your home. If you want to go for professional editing and everything, that is a lengthy process. I would not advise you to go with that. Yes, if you are very good in writing stories and everything, or if you know about something on which you can write 5 to 10,000 words easily, then I think it is a very good option. The second is investing in stock market. Now this point applies only to those people who had an existing online demat account with them. If you do not have a demat account, sorry, this is not a point for you. But yes, even during this lockdown, what you can do is that if you do not have a demat account, you can approach some of the share broking companies and maybe ask them to open up an account online. There are many apps, there are many payment service companies, financial tech companies who are offering you paperless transactions, who are offering you mutual funds, who are offering you different things. You just need to submit a scan copy of your documents and everything, and your KYC will be done online, and then you can make online transactions, and you can invest in mutual funds or invest in different stocks and equities. These are services which are going on not only in India but also in many other countries as well. So if this option is available for you, good enough, you can earn money through these sources. And if you have a demat account, you can you know what I'm trying to say. You know very well how to trade in shares. You know how to purchase and sell mutual funds and everything. So this can be a very good source of income during this lockdown. The third is to make YouTube videos. Now you see, why I am stressing upon YouTube is that because YouTube is a platform where people are searching for tutorials, people are searching for documentaries, people are searching for tips and tricks and everything. I will not talk about TikTok, I will not talk about Facebook, I will not talk about Twitter and all. Okay, Facebook also you can upload longer videos, but yes, I don't think that Facebook enjoys that much of popularity as when compared to YouTube. Even IGTV also does not enjoy that much of popularity as compared to YouTube. So I think you can post online courses, you can post online classes, you can give tips and tricks, you can make those videos and post it on YouTube. Now if you do not have a YouTube channel, it will just take you an hour or 1.5 hours for you to sign up for a Google account and then open up your own YouTube account. Whatever tips I am giving you in this video is all when you are sitting at home, so you do not need to go out for collecting some equipment or something. Just take your smartphone. If you have a tripod, well and good. If you do not have a tripod, have a pile of books and place your phone over that. You just need to place your phone in such a way that the video is stabilized. Simply use your hands-free which came with your phone, and you are good to go. You just need to make some videos. And yes, another thing, make videos on topics which people are searching for, which people will be doing while sitting at home. Like for example, you can make cooking videos, you can make videos on food. I know that on YouTube tech videos are very famous, but you know, right now when people are not at all able to go out and purchase some tech items, so I don't think that those videos will perform very well on YouTube. So I think select those topics which which really concern people who are sitting at home: yoga classes, meditation classes, classes for kids, lessons for marketing, finance, accountancy, legal advice, or all these things. These all things are things which people will definitely see while sitting at home. The fourth is to write blogs or write articles or publish podcasts. Now this might now you may consider that this is somehow similar to the first point, which was writing an ebook. But the thing is that writing an ebook or is totally a different thing. But when you are publishing a podcast, when you are publishing when you are writing blogs, when you are writing articles, when you are writing all these things, these are also a very good source of earning some income. If you get a following, you may even get sponsorship on Twitter, you may also get sponsorship on Facebook, and you may also be asked to publish some sponsored tweets. Now if you are asked to publish some sponsored tweets, there is a lot of money in that as well. All the money will be transferred to you online, and you just need to publish something via your social media accounts. The main thing is that you should have audience, and the best way to get an audience is to write blogs, to write articles, to post on social media, to publish podcasts and everything. The fifth way is to have online freelancing services. Now online freelancing services can be many. Like there are many online freelancing services which you can do, which you can offer. Like there are websites like Fiverr, gigs.com, and all those websites where you can perform gigs like web designing, graphic designing, and SEO, and all these services, image designing, logo designing, and all those things, where you have to design all those things online and submit them online, and you will be receiving your payment online itself. You may even receive an order from a person in Switzerland to graphic design something for his or her company. You will do that online, and then you will be paid through these websites. These Fiverr.com and gigs.com, these are two websites which are very good when it comes to freelancing gigs. There are some other websites also. You just need to do a Google search, and then you are good to go. So guys, these are 5 ways in which you can earn money during this coronavirus crisis. The one most common thing in all these is that you have to devote time. Now when you are sitting at home, when you know that you want to earn money, you have to devote time. You have to devote at least 5 to 6 hours a day if you want these things to be successful and give you some extra cash as soon as possible. At last, I would also like to add that I have also published my ebook, Aviation Explained: A Basic Introduction to Civil Aviation. The links are in the description. It is available on Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books. Just in case if you wish to purchase that book, you can visit the links and get a good deal on both the websites. Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books both are having offers on their websites on my book as well. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.